Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best carpet cleaners for home and car use. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. MAMNV 05 Handheld Carpet Cleaner 750W 15 kPa. The MAMNV 05 Handheld Carpet Cleaner offers 750W of power with a 15 kPa suction force. It's designed for wet fabric, carpets, sofas, and pet messes, making it a versatile tool for both home and car cleaning. The corded design ensures consistent power throughout your cleaning session. The advantages of this carpet cleaner are high suction power for effective cleaning, suitable for both wet and dry messes, ideal for pet owners. The disadvantages of this carpet cleaner are corded design limits mobility. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. ZCWA Handheld Carpet Cleaner 450W/750W 15 kPa. The ZCWA Handheld Carpet Cleaner features 450W/750W power options with a 15 kPa suction capacity. This spot cleaner is equipped with a spray suction integrated system, making it ideal for deep cleaning carpets, sofas, and other fabrics with precision. The advantages of this carpet cleaner are adjustable power settings for different tasks, integrated spray and suction system, compact and easy to store. The disadvantages of this carpet cleaner are may struggle with stubborn stains. At number 3. 2024 BISSELL Steam Fabric Washing Machine Spot Cleaner. The 2024 BISSELL Steam Fabric Washing Machine is a versatile vacuum cleaner designed to remove mites, clean carpets, and freshen up sofas and fabrics. It doubles as a portable spot cleaner and pet bath, making it an essential tool for households with pets. The advantages of this carpet cleaner are multifunctionality for various cleaning tasks, effective mite removal, portable and easy to use. The disadvantages of this carpet cleaner are steam function may not be suitable for delicate fabrics, requires frequent water refills. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. GOOVI Handheld Carpet Cleaner 750/450W 11 15 kPa. The GOVI Handheld Carpet Cleaner provides dual power options of 750W and 450W with adjustable suction of 11 kPa and 15 kPa, making it perfect for cleaning sofas, curtains, and other fabrics. Its spray suction integrated system ensures thorough cleaning of spots and stains. The advantages of this cleaner are adjustable power and suction settings, integrated spray and suction for better cleaning. The disadvantages of this cleaner are may require multiple passes for deep stains. At number 1. ZCWA W05 Handheld Carpet Cleaner 750W 15 kPa. Efficient and powerful. The ZCWA W05 Handheld Carpet Cleaner offers 750W of power and 15 kPa suction to tackle wet fabric, carpet, sofa, and pet messes with ease. This corded spot clean machine is portable and ideal for both home and car cleaning tasks. The advantages of this carpet cleaner are strong suction power for deep cleaning, versatile for various surfaces, portable and easy to handle. The disadvantages of this carpet cleaner are limited by cord length.